Welcome to the Mifflin at Abberly Market Point apartment homes by HHHunt. With 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,069 square feet, this floor plan allows you to live life to the fullest. It's a place where dreams come true. Find your inner chef in the state-of-the-art kitchen. Enjoy sleek, modern finishes, luxurious cabinetry, and sparkling granite countertops. Kitchen storage is a must, and with ample cabinet and counter space, the Mifflin has you covered. Your kitchen offers a breakfast bar which flows seamlessly into your living and dining area. This open concept makes dinner parties a reality. Just off the living area, you will find space for outdoor lounging. Both bedrooms offer a ton of natural light, large closets, and the space you need. Your ensuite invites you to soak your cares away and includes a linen closet for convenience. With a full-size washer and dryer, coat closet, and smart technology, this home is the one you dreamed of. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. For more information or to tour this model, visit AbberlyMarketPoint.com.